In November of 2019, we traveled with a group of nursing students from the College of St. Benedict and St. John's University to the Dominican Republic. This trip allowed us to immerse into a new culture and gain new perspectives. While there, we facilitated first aid and CPR education to students and faculty throughout multiple schools across the Samana Peninsula. Through this education, we were able to certify a select number of faculty. When thinking about the Dominican Republic, you picture beautiful sandy beaches and picturesque scenery. Although the culture and beauty of this country is awe-inspiring, there are issues that negatively impact the communities of the Dominican Republic. For this project, we decided to focus on the disposal of waste.
Because of the poor system of garbage collection, that means that some people put garbage in bags right on the sidewalk and the streets. Right now, yesterday, there was a very heavy rain in Las Arenas, which means that the creeks and river in the town, people throw garbage in them, and then when it rains, all of that garbage goes out to the beach. And so right now the beach in La Serena is full of garbage that came in the creek and the river. And that's another issue that has to do with sanitation as well, because people shouldn't be throwing garbage in the creeks and the rivers. But the level of education and awareness about that matter is very low. Not enough is being done.
At one of the hospitals, we had the opportunity to talk with Dr. Rodriguez about some of the issues with garbage and the effect it has on public health. Essentially, he discussed how people move from rural communities into larger towns and do not know how to dispose of waste in an adequate way. They throw garbage randomly in the streets, sidewalks, and rivers. Dr. Rodriguez believes it is most important to educate the community on proper waste management.
We have issues with managing solid waste, transporting it to a centralized location, which is the dump, and then having issues with the stuff burning just because of natural combustion of the methane, or because people, they call them buzos, divers, are looking for plastic or metal or glass, and then they burn what is burnable, like the organic matter, in order to reach glass and metal and so forth directly in the dump. When they burn that, that affects everybody because that smoke and contamination goes up in the air.
The Robert Strauss Center for International Security further discusses the waste management issue. The nation has no sanitary landfills that are engineered with methane, leachate, and vector controls. Some communities are making improvements towards the effort of improving waste management.
The city is making progress. So this spring they added recycling bins for the first time around town. It's a start, and hopefully gradually the entire community will start to utilize them, and they'll be better about recycling.
One thing that really impacted me was taking a Saturday to help our guide Jose clean up garbage in a school park. I felt like I personally was directly making a difference in this community. It was a very rewarding experience to help clean up this park for the kids there to have a safe place to play. The beauty of this country and the amazing culture made the experience much more special. I've never met a more friendly and welcoming community of people. They were so kind and so friendly. I had so much fun meeting so many members of the community and sharing in their culture throughout my time there.